In this video, you'll learn how to navigate and use DeepAI's key features for generating and editing images and videos. To get started, visit deepai.org in your browser and open the application menu to explore the available sections. If you currently have an image generator open, close it to return to the main workspace. Next, check notifications by clicking the Action Required indicator. Dismiss any pop-up messages and, if needed, select the URL field to copy, edit, or navigate elsewhere. Now, switch between this image and music sections, then use the Image button to begin working with visuals. When you're ready, click Create Image to start generating content. Expand more options to access features such as the colorizer or background remover, allowing you to easily enhance images with a single click. Activate the AI image generator and describe what you want to create in the provided field for truly customized results. You can adjust speed, select an avatar, refresh styles, or modify shapes to fine-tune your creative output. Keep refining your text input and use the Quality button for optimal resolution settings. Open drop-down menus to browse character and shape options, letting you fully personalize your generated content. Enter new descriptions as you iterate, then prepare to download your finished image once you're satisfied. Click Download to save your content and close the notification to clear your workspace. To work with video, select the video option and choose Text to Video, picking advanced presets like Hollywood for enhanced results. Finally, set your preferred video duration to complete the setup and start creating custom videos. That concludes the DeepAI tutorial. You're now ready to explore its creative features.